The big girl's back. You gotta love this thing. It's been on the road for 12 months now. It's very cool. So she's on club plate. She was on full rego, if you remember. But she's got a club rego now. Very cool thing. But anyway, Matt's brought it back out. We've been stuffing around with another 245. We've got here 60 over. It's going to have a little cam and that sort of stuff in it. That's going in. Still got the original donk in it. I don't think it's ever had the head off it. It's pretty tired now, so we're going to freshen her up and get her rolling along a bit better. Beautiful. All right, about an hour. Motor's out on the ground. Beautiful. Love it when a plan comes together. Hey, now we'll dissect it. It's got a brand new timing chain and gear and that on it we want off it. It's got a brand new clutch on it we want off it, the rocker cover, side plate, that sort of stuff. Beautiful. Use one of Adam's U-Butte Chrysler lifting hooks. You gotta love them. Perfect. All right, we're onto it. That's up we go. In the head of good queen. Into it. Okay, we're still into it. Got a new camshaft in him. E38 spec or something, Matt, isn't it?
Stage 3, whatever that is.
Stage 3, there you go. I don't know the numbers, but we've got a new cam in him. We've got the new double row timing gear that come off the old engine in it. Matt's just cleaning up the sump. We'll drop that on. Then we'll flip him up and put a head on him. We can drop him in the car. Beautiful. Keep into it. Alright, so we just dropped the head on him. Actually notice that it's a 265 head as well. So this was a gem engine. This is 60 over. It's in great nick, so she should go alright. We'll keep into it. Okay, she's back in. Matt's bent down there hooking some pipes up. Slowed us down. Being a later model head, it's got the Welsh plugs in the top of it. Whereas the early model ones have got screw-in bungs. So, see we've got them screw-in bungs in there? Yeah, right, so that's the late model one. This is a late model head that's got these Welsh plugs in it. We discovered the Welsh plugs were a bit how you going, so we're replacing a lot of them. We'll get onto it and she'll be fired up shortly, I would imagine. Okay. Okay, we've got all our nice shiny new little Welsh plugs down in there. I'm just about to close him up. Never hurts to fill your rocker arms up with a bit of oil before you put the lid on it with a clean engine. Bit of lube on fire up, beautiful. Okay, we're back into it. Okay, it's crunch time. She's all back together. Let's fire it up and see how we went. Fingers crossed. Okay, we might be out. We might be 180 out.
Blow out of the...
Oh no, mate, hit the key.
Good to go?
Yep.
Close.
Fuck, it's right, isn't it?
That's all right.
Nothing at all.
Yep.
Yep. sure it sounds worse on the video. We've got a little bit of rocker noise there, but other than that, he's alright. Sounds quite good out the back. Beautiful. Alright, we've got a bit of rocker noise in the big girl, but it always sounds 10 times worse than it is. But yeah, it's ticking on the front one, I think. But she's running. Take it for a spin up and see what she's like.
Is that exhaust?
Hey?
Is that rattle? Is that exhaust?
Yeah, that's the exhaust off the back bumper, isn't it? Yeah. There she goes. Here she comes. Still kicking. It's good to hear. Not as much. Okay, round two. Didn't like the noise of that rattle, so we whipped the top off and we found a couple of really well-worn rocker arms. So have a go at this. That was what we found. That's tightened up. So there was two similar to that. Sort of realised as soon as we got the top off him there was no oil in them, so they were bleeding out, leaking out. Matt's just about to kick him in the guts. We're going to see what he's got to say this time. See if we've quietened that rattle down a bit. That. No more rocker noise. Beautiful. Love it when a plan comes together. Remember you got that cam now, Matt. It's going to be rough. Yeah. Ah, that sounds pretty good. Nice.
It's probably a bit low.
So yeah, we've got rid of that rocker noise, as you can hear. That's beautiful. Love it when a plan comes together. Nice. The old girl sounds sweet now. Lovely. Lovely. Beautiful. Okay, so end result, the big girl's got another dog in her. Sitting there gurgling away. We quietened down that rocker noise, thankfully. That was a bit concerning, but yeah, as you've seen, she had a couple of well-worn rockers in her. The old girl sitting there gurgling away. Should have a little bit more poke now. She's stage 3 camshaft with a 245 60 thou over with a 265 head on it. So might be down a little bit on comp, but it should flow some air through it. And they're gurgling away. Beautiful. Wow, that's it. Sounding much better now. Got rid of that shock of bloody rocker rattle. What a cool you.
Good.
Oh, look out, he's turning tyres and everything in her. She sounds nice now. He's humming the old girl. Bloody hoon, Matthew. See that? Big girl sounds sweet. Nice. Okay, we're running for the first half an hour or so on a belly full of water, and you see there's a filter in the top hose, so we're just going to drop the water out of him now clean the filter up and put the hose back on, fill him up full of coolant. He'll be good to rock and roll. Beautiful. And I'll give him a bit of a flush. You can see that khaki stuff coming out of there, so I'll give him a bit of a flush and put some coolant in him and he'll be good to rock and roll. Beautiful. Alright, so there's the filter. As you can see, she's already caught a little bit of crack in it. Bit of metal flake out of the block. That's the whole idea of it, to stop from blocking up our cleaned out radiator. Perfect. Lovely. Alright, that's it for the pub truck. She's got another donk in her. Sitting there gurgling away, beautiful. And we'll get on with something else. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share it around, and have a good one. We'll talk to you next time. Cheers. There she is, she's all done. New mark, she's heading home. Beautiful. Love it. Such a cool old ute. Sounds nice now too. Sounds heaps different. Matt said she's actually got a little bit of poke now. Good stuff.